Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the two major number system. Okay, that is decimal and binary. In this PowerPoint presentation or in this video, we are going to learn about what is the decimal number system, what is the binary number system, how to convert decimal to binary, and how to convert binary to decimal. So guys, let's start. Okay, at first we have to know what is number system. That means number system is a technique to represent and the work with number. Okay, there is four type of major number system, that is decimal number system and binary number system and octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, let's see what is decimal number system. A decimal number can be defined as the number whose whole part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. That means it's a number that can be separated by a decimal point. That means in this example you will see that the 17.48. Okay, here the whole part is 17 and the decimal point part is 48. Okay, you can see I want to elaborate that example using drawing the shapes. That's when you can see here the seven holes are drawn before the decimal point, and then after decimal point here four columns are colored, and after that the the number one columns eight positions are colored. That means the whole part is 17, and after that 4 is separate and 8 is separate. That means we are read it as 17.48. Okay, the middle point, the difference which differentiate two part, whole part and the decimal part, is called decimal point. Okay, the after decimal point positions are smaller than 1. That means the 48.48 is smaller than 1, so it's placed after the decimal point. Okay, next move forward. The characteristics of decimal number system. What are the characteristics? It's a positional number system, of course. We see in the previous example it's a positional. It's have two positions. Okay, and in this number system there are 10 symbols or digits. That's 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence the base is 10. Why the base is 10? Because the decimal number has 10 symbols or 10 digits. So the base of the decimal number system is 10. The maximum value of a single digit is 9. Okay, that is the one less than the base value. Okay, and each position of a digit represents a specific power of the base 10. Okay, that means each position of that number has represent the base 10 as base 10. We are use this number system in our daily life. We all know that. We do the mathematical calculations. We do all the calculations in based on decimal number system. It's a well-known number system in towards our world. So move forward. And what is the binary number system? Let's In a binary number system, we express the base 2 numerical system. Okay, or binary system. Base 2 means why we call this base 2? Then, because in a binary number system, we have only two digits. One is 0, one is 1. Okay, this we have to represent all the number in basis of these two digits. That's why we call this number system as a base 2 number system. It's also a positional number system. Okay, you can see this example. The decimal 0 is represented as 000 in case of binary. Okay, in case of binary, see that the 1 represent as 001 in case of binary. Yeah, in the last two two digit of binary is 0 and 1. Okay, now if we think like as there is 10 digits in decimal. Okay, please think it as your own way. Decimal has 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay, if you want to increase one number after 9, if you want to increase one number after 9, you have to merge two decimal digits. Okay, you have to merge two decimal digits, that is 1 and 0. That's make 10. Okay, actually it happens in this like way. 0, at first we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after 9 in our hand there is no decimal number or digit. Okay, in our hand there is no decimal digit, so after 9 we have to represent it as 1 and 0. We take the 1 first, then we take 0. Okay, after 10 we take the 1 and 1 again. After that we take 1 and 2, after that 1 and 3. In this basis we represent all the number you can imagine. Okay, in decimal form you can represent it is with the basis of 10 digits or 10 symbols in case of decimal number system. Hence, there are two or two symbol in binary number system. So we have to represent it as a way. We have to represent it as a way that all the numbers are explained by these two particular two symbols, 0 and 1. That's why after this 0 we represent it as 0 in binary as same if we erase first two zeros. Okay, after 1 we represent it as 1 in binary if we erase the first two zeros. But in case of 2 there is no symbol as 2 in the binary, so we have to represent it. So we take 1 first and we take 0 for followed by 0. Okay, so it's represented as 3. Okay, and second line on sorry, in the fourth line 3 is represented as 1 and 1. How we found it, how we build it, or how we assume that this 1 is 3? Because in this previous one 2 represented as 1 0, so 1 is in our hand, so we can write it as 1 and 1, so it's represent 3. In the 4, first two sections is filled up by 1. In the 4 we have no choice to fill up the first position and the second position, so we move forward in the third position and we fill the third position as 1, and the next previous two position make 0, it's represent 4. In the fifth position we represent as 1 0 1 as so on. Again you can represent it's like it's 120 decimal is in the binary form of that. Okay, we will see the conversion of binary to decimal or decimal to binary. Let's move forward. What is the characteristics of a binary system? Okay, it's a positional number system. Of course it has a two symbol or two digits, 0 1 0 and 1, so hence it's called as base 2 number system. The maximum value of a single digit is 1, and each position of a digit represents a specific power of the base 2, and this number system used in computer. It's